You wake up, you don't spring out of bed, you negotiate with your body, roll to the side, push up with an arm, wait for your lower back to decide if today is a good day or a don't bend over day. Maybe it started in your 40s, a twinge after gardening, a catch when lifting groceries. Now, it's background noise, constant, limiting. And every back workout you find online, burpees, deadlifts, jumping, things that feel like assault when your spine already whispers warnings. I'm Dr. Maya. I'm 45. I'm a physician who specializes in movement medicine for women our age. And 3 years ago, I couldn't sit through a full day of patients without my back screaming. Today, I hike, I garden, I lift my niece without thinking twice. No surgery, no injections, just a specific routine I'm about to share with you. Stay with me. 10 minutes from now, you'll have a complete program you can do today in your living room, no equipment, no fear. Let me tell you what didn't work, so you know I've been where you are. The chiropractor 3 times a week, temporary relief, empty wallet. The core classes that had me doing crunches that compressed my spine worse. The MRI that showed degenerative changes, and a doctor who said, learn to live with it. I refused. I went back to my training. I studied spinal biomechanics specifically for women over 40. And I discovered something that changed everything. Back pain in women our age isn't usually from weak muscles, it's from unstable muscles, muscles that forgot how to fire in the right sequence, and from joints that lost their natural lubrication and range of motion. Heavy weights, they demand stability you don't have yet. High impact, they jar joints already dealing with less estrogen, less collagen, less forgiveness. The answer? Gentle re-education, waking up the muscles that actually support your spine. Then walking, the most underrated back medicine there is, but only if you do it right. I'm giving you both, the routine and the walking protocol that makes it work. Here's why most back workouts fail women 40 plus. They start with strengthen your core. So you do crunches, planks that strain your neck, leg lifts that grab your hip flexors and pull on your lower back, crunches round your spine and compressed discs. Planks without proper shoulder stability transfer load to your lumbar spine, and those heavy weights, they force your body to compensate with the wrong muscles, creating patterns that feel like work but create more pain. Meanwhile, the muscles that actually matter for spinal health, they stay asleep. Your multifidus, tiny muscles along your spine that provide segmental stability, your transverse abdominis, your natural corset, not your six-pack, your glute medius, hip stability that protects your sacrum. These don't need heavy loads, they need precision. They need to be reminded they exist. The routine I'm about to show you, it looks too simple. You'll think, this can't work. That's the same thing I thought, until I did it consistently for 3 weeks and woke up without the morning stiffness for the first time in years. 4 movements, 5 minutes, daily. That's the foundation. Movement 1, pelvic tilts. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat. This isn't a crunch, this is a whisper. Tilt your pelvis so your lower back gently presses to the floor. Release, press, release. 20 times. What you're doing, waking up the transverse abdominis, teaching your pelvis and spine to move independently, creating the stability that protects you when you stand, sit, reach. Movement 2, dead bug. Same starting position, arms reach to ceiling, knees over hips. Slowly lower one arm back, opposite leg extends. Keep your lower back pressed to the floor. If it arches, don't lower as far. 10 each side. This looks easy. Try it. Most women 40 plus can't do 5 without their back arching. That arching? That's why you hurt. We're retraining the pattern. Movement 3, bird dog. On hands and knees, spine neutral. Think long spine, not arched cat. Extend opposite arm and leg. Hold 3 seconds. Switch. 10 each side. The goal isn't height, it's control. No wobbling. No dipping in your lower back. Your multifidus, those tiny spinal muscles, are learning to hold you steady. Movement 4, glute bridge with activation. Lie on back, knees bent, but before you lift, squeeze your glutes first. Feel them engage, then lift your hips, hold 5 seconds, lower with control. 15 times. Most women do bridges with their hamstrings and lower back. We want your glutes, your powerhouse, the muscles that protect your sacroiliac joint, that support your spine when you walk, stand, live. That's it. 5 minutes, no equipment, no strain, but precise activation of the muscles that actually stabilize your spine. Do this daily for 3 weeks, not when you remember, daily. Your nervous system needs consistency to rebuild patterns. Now, walking. You already do it, but probably wrong for back health. 3 mistakes I see constantly. 1, too fast, too soon. You launch into your walk with purpose, striding out. Your spine isn't warmed up, your stabilizers aren't firing. You finish with more pain than you started. 2, flat, hard surfaces only. Sidewalks, treadmills, predictable. Your spine needs variety, gentle hills, slight unevenness, surfaces that challenge balance and wake up your proprioceptors. 3, arms hanging like dead weight, or clutched to your chest on your phone. Your arms are counterweights for your spine. They move you. When they're still, your lower back absorbs impact it shouldn't. The protocol: first 5 minutes, conscious, lower pace. Focus on your breath. Feel your feet. Let your pelvis rotate slightly with each step. Let your arms swing naturally opposite to your legs. Middle section, pick up pace if you want, but keep the rotation, the spinal movement, the arm swing. Last 5 minutes, slow down again, standing tall, feeling the length in your spine. Duration? Start with 10 minutes. Build to 30. Not 60, not as far as possible. 30 quality minutes beats an hour of poor form. Surface? Mix it up. One day, neighborhood sidewalk. Next day, park trail with gentle hills. Third day, treadmill with incline variation. Your spine craves variety, not repetition. Frequency? Daily if possible. 5 days minimum. Walking is spinal nutrition. You don't skip meals. Don't skip this. After 3 weeks of the Big 4 and daily walking, you'll feel different. The morning stiffness will soften. You'll trust your back again. Then, and only then, we add side-lying clams for hip rotators. Wall sits for leg strength without spinal load. Modified planks on your knees with perfect form for 10 seconds. Not burpees, not jumping, not heavy weights, just intelligent progression that respects your spine's healing timeline. And if something hurts, stop. Not push through. Not no pain, no gain. Stop. Assess, modify. The goal is function for decades, not Instagram workouts today. I have patients in their 60s who started this protocol after years of fear. They dance now, they travel, they pick up their grandchildren without that flash of panic. Your back is not a fragile thing to protect by never moving. It's a resilient structure that needs specific, gentle, consistent movement to remember its strength. So here's your start. Tonight, on your floor. Pelvic tilts, dead bugs, bird dogs, glutes, 5 minutes. Tomorrow morning, 10-minute walk, conscious slow start, natural arm swing, slight hills if you can find them. Do this for 21 days. Then come back and tell me what changed. I read every comment. Your story gives the next woman courage to start. Subscribe to Prime&Power if this served you. We're building something here. Real health information for women 40 plus, delivered by someone who lives in this body, this age, this experience.